Hi, this is Michael Nacella, the second generation of Zing International, and I'm here today to introduce you to a new product that we created called Zing Kleen Up. Now, what's exciting about this product is that we've taken technologies that we've had in other Zing products and we combine them together to make one product that'll clean, polish, and protect your floor. Now, as long as you can wet your floor, this product will work. It doesn't have to be any type of floor. It doesn't have to be a floor with floor finish, or it doesn't have to have floor finish, so it'll work in any situation. Now what we're going to do is we're going to show you in this video how we use this product to spray clean a floor. And you'll see we used a high-speed burnisher with an Americo Blue Blend burnish pad, which we've been working with for quite a while now, and found that this is a phenomenal pad. And it'll work in many situations. So we're using that pad on a 1500 electric RPM burnisher. And we're doing a 2,500 square foot area, and believe it or not, we only used 6 ounces of this product to do that whole area. I know it sounds unbelievable, but it really did work. I invite you, I know it's going to be, you'll see some unconventional things that we do, and all I do is invite you to try the product in your own situation. It's the best way. Let your workers use it and see for themselves and for yourself how this product can work and really help you. So if you have any questions, give us a call at 1-800-233-4485 or visit us online at zingfloorcare.com. We're now 3 generations of clean with my son being involved, so we're excited and we're moving on, and we've got plenty of information to share with you. So sit back and relax and have a great day. Hi, I'm Mike Nacella, the second generation of Zing, and we're here today. I'm here with Kyle, the third generation of Zing, and together we're going to show you how to restore a floor using Zing Kleen Up and Zing First Impression Coating. So this is the floor we're going to do here. This is an epoxy coated floor. This room is used for different events. We're at a church, so they have bingo in here, they have card playing, they have meetings, dinners. They had a dinner here last night, actually. So all the tables and chairs were taken out and the room left open. So what we want to do is we're going to clean up the floor. The biggest thing I noticed just doing a visual inspection is obviously in the higher traffic areas, the finish is worn down more, so it needs more finish. And it's scuffed and scratched. So you notice here, you can see it's scuffed and scratched. There's some shine to the floor, which indicates when you have shine on the floor, it'll indicate that there is finish present. So there is finish here now. There is some areas that have some high shine to them, but this obviously is a high traffic area and is showing wear. So we're gonna repair this and we'll bring it back to life. Okay, I want to talk about what we're going to be doing here today. We're going to be, as I said earlier, we're going to restore this floor, meaning we want to get as much of the scratches off and any of the dead oxidized finish that's on top. We want to take that off, and we want to, then we're going to put more finish down. We're going to put a couple coats of our finish down. We're going to show you, first we're going to put a coat down straight as it comes out of the container, and then after that we're going to dilute the finish 50-50 with water. So it's something unique to this finish that we have that we'll be able to show you. Now the first step in the procedure is going to be to dust mop the floor, and if you can, you could use a vacuum also. A lot of people, especially today, like to use a backpack vac, but in this case we're using a dust mop. Okay, what we're using here, this is a machine we had designed for us. It's a folding machine, but really it's a 1500 RPM electric machine. And we're using, this is a pad from Americo, and it's called a Blue Blend burnish pad. That's what this pad is. And you'll see how it works on this floor. So we're filling this bottle 3/4 with water. This is an empty bottle labeled Kleen Up. Anytime you fill an empty bottle, you want to make sure you have written on the bottle, create your own label, write a label, write right on the bottle something, the name of the product. That's a safety, for safety purposes, so people know what's in the bottle. We're going to add 4 ounces, which is halfway on this measuring cup. Okay, so here we have the Kleen Up mixture. Again, we filled an empty quart bottle, labeled Kleen Up, with water. So it's 3/4 filled with water, and then I added 4 ounces of the Kleen Up to this bottle. I've set this spray head to a stream. We've got the Blue Blend burnishing pad on this 1500 RPM electric machine. So now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray 2 sprays every 2 steps I walk as I go forward. So I'm not gonna go real fast, you'll see how I do it. Okay, I just stopped. We just made a couple passes here, and I just want to show you the dirt that we're starting to pick up off the floor. So we're actually taking that off the top. So I'm about 3/4 done. I've just emptied this bottle. So we've sprayed it on in a stream. Again, it's filled 3/4 with water and 4 ounces of Kleen Up added to this bottle. We sprayed it on. We used a 1500 RPM electric machine with a Americo Blue Blend burnishing pad. So we've done 3/4 of the floor and sprayed a floor pad, and we've only used 4 ounces of product. Okay, so we're almost finished. It's happening. As I was going, I could feel the machine starting to slow down a little. So I knew that means the pad is building up. So tilting it back, this is the way the pad is. The pad. And again, we'll clean it after we're finished, and we're just gonna flip it over right now. Okay, I'm gonna just take you around a little bit. We'll look at the floor. So it's been spray cleaned with the Kleen Up, dust mopped. The first coat we're gonna put on a first impression coating, Zing first impression coating. And we're gonna put it on with the dispensing valve here, which I put on top, so we can pour it right on the floor. And we're using a microfiber flat mop to apply the finish. Should I go across here? So I'm going to do the edge first. Cut the edge in. Okay, so we're just showing you, this is after the first coat of the first impressions on the floor here. So Kyle, show you around. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to create a 50-50 version of the first impressions. What I mean is we're going to take this empty gallon, I filled it halfway with water, got a funnel here and it says 50-50 diluted on it. Then I'm going to take the first impressions and we're going to cut it 50%. So we've got 50% water and then I'm adding the floor finish. So actually 1 gallon will make 2 gallons. Okay, so Kyle is going to show us now, he's going to go around the room and show us, this is the second coat of Zing First Impressions that was applied.
Third coat.
Okay, we're going to walk around now and show you the floor, which has now 4 coats of Zing First Impressions. And remember that we put the first coat on straight out of the gallon, and then the other coats we diluted. We diluted 50-50 with water. So